What is a raw food diet? 5 tips. Are you looking to explore a healthier lifestyle and have heard about the raw food diet? You're probably wondering what it is and how it can benefit you. In this video, we'll break down the raw food diet and provide you with 5 practical tips to help you get started. So let's dive in. The raw food diet is based on the idea of consuming unprocessed, whole, and primarily plant-based foods that have not been heated above 115 to 118 degrees Fahrenheit. The belief is that cooking food destroys its vital nutrients and enzymes, making it less healthy for our bodies. Raw food enthusiasts claim that this diet can lead to better health, increased energy, and even weight loss. When you think of raw foods, fruits and vegetables probably come to mind. However, the raw food diet goes beyond that. It also includes nuts, seeds, sprouted grains, and legumes, as well as unpasteurized dairy and raw meat or fish for those who still prefer to include animal protein in their diet. Tip number 1: start slow. Transitioning to a raw food diet can be challenging, especially if you're used to eating cooked meals. To make the change easier, start by incorporating more raw foods into your daily meals. You can gradually increase the amount of raw food you consume until you feel comfortable with a full raw food diet. Tip number 2: educate yourself. To be successful on a raw food diet, it's essential to understand the nutritional needs of your body. Do some research on the vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients you need and how to get them from raw foods. This will help you create well-balanced meals that provide all the necessary nutrients, ensuring optimal health. Tip number 3: get creative in the kitchen. Eating raw doesn't mean you're limited to munching on carrot sticks and apple slices all day. There are plenty of delicious and satisfying raw food recipes out there, from smoothies and salads to raw desserts and even raw pizza. Experiment with different ingredients and flavors to keep your taste buds excited and to avoid getting bored with your meals. Tip number 4: invest in the right tools. Having the right equipment can make all the difference in your raw food journey. Some essential tools to consider include a high-quality blender, food processor, juicer, and dehydrator. These appliances will help you create delicious and diverse raw food dishes with ease. Tip number 5: join a community. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals who share your passion for raw foods can make your journey more enjoyable and help you stay committed. Look for local raw food groups, attend workshops, or join online forums where you can share recipes, tips, and support with fellow raw food enthusiasts. In conclusion, the raw food diet offers a unique and natural approach to eating that focuses on consuming unprocessed, whole, and plant-based foods. With proper planning and commitment, this diet can lead to better health, increased energy, and even weight loss. By following our 5 tips: starting slow, educating yourself, getting creative in the kitchen, investing in the right tools, and joining a community, you'll be well on your way to embracing and thriving on a raw food diet. So, are you ready to give the raw food diet a try? Remember, the key to success is to take it one step at a time and to enjoy the process of discovering new and delicious ways to nourish your body. Good luck on your raw food journey, and here's to a healthier, happier you. Don't forget to subscribe.